And seeing the multitude, he went up into a mountain, and when he was set,
Kadinda.
Blessed are the meek, they shall.
Let's go say, Lord, let's give thanks
for this God bless.
Oh yeah, see akubatisha DJ Konunda, Mr. Lundmin.
God bless.
Ishakuwa tabu kwani.
For this God bless country now the storm.
Oh yeah, back to school edition. We there. Kila mtu chini. Chini. Turudie. Kelgino.
And seeing the multitude, he went up into a mountain.
Weka mkono moja kwenye watu kila mtu now. Let's
say, blessed are the meek, they shall
say, let's give thanks.
Let's give thanks.
Wagwan.
For this God bless.
Radical sauti. Not a bridge going down.
For this God bless.
Wanare.
For this God.
Kasusu. Watu wangu wanyakati wanaopenda Manchester, let's go. Wanaopenda Chelsea, let's go. Everybody now. Tabu. Haikuishi baba.
Fools say in their hearts.
Anyway.
There is no God.
Master Benny. Kandari ya Massive. We go samba one. I have recently. Wagwan. Listen. Watu wangu wakati today. Kama kitambo. Wagwan. Anytime. Timesa Bumbaya, Anduli Mgaza, Ochare, fellow Mr. Sia. One time, Maggie. You let's take it. Okay, this man. Tuguze chini, Usafi culture. Aya, beba moja mbili. Rexy. Vasha Koya. Brandy. What am I do? We fire. No generally and ranking through with that style. Natalia in the building. Jesus Christ, no Papa Josie. Where the card do karibisho kwenye party one more time. That is a DL. Wagwan. For the boy Trinity. See you know, come know. That a DJ that it. That a general. Oyare, Mr. CEO. Telex D. Dove Milton. Idanaki-an. Okadija Rick. Ya nabado. Nani ya wapi lakini sir. Style and open your ears and listen me pattern. Style and open your ears and listen me pattern. Okay. You come from country or you come from town. One you know me got the talk of the town. At the microphone is when the crowd gather round. Hey, when the DJ come to one time. Style and pattern. Manu Mash. Open your ears and listen me pattern. Style and pattern. We get it to the DJ. Listen. River boys.
Wife akono razi na kelele. Na topic itemeo. Fuck mambo za bwili na nyege.
Kuna mkwa na bagi.
Kikombea bla, kikekisha bla, kikekisha mada.
Okay DJ, let's go sir. Wadumu.
Bag ni ya nini? Alili mtutu. Najua sijapono nikipandisha.
Bag ni ya nini?
Na topic ya leo. Wife akono razi na kelele.
Kabla.
Na topic itemeo.
Kabla.
Mambo za bwili na nyege. Ilikuwa inetisha kikombea bla, kikekisha bla, kikekisha mada.
Mishi. Back to school going down live. We go samba to my DJ.
Bag ni ya nini? Najua sijapona nikipandisha joto.
Kabla nifanye nini?
Tofauti na tuko korogojo. Tapa imefika.
Usafi Culture, Brian Raymond, Edgar Ramirez.
Sikujina taxi. Pia nikona maji nisikoshe maji. Black paper, ikona TV ndani. Kakirunda mtaniambia tu zangu zinaenda wapi.
Higo sabato wa DJ.
Unapatiwa line na kijaba wewe. Hakujua mzuri, sikumekuna wewe. Saya bendi kunyona na wewe.
Weka. Sir. Kila mtu nao. Weka. Na kuna mtu akona kifua mahali ametulia eh. Wala. Let's go say. Bishop sing.
Kutoka siaka kila mtu siaka siaka siaka
Haikuishi bado. Wanare boys Mr. CEO Elvis Celeb Junior Brokid. Tuko na Mike, tuko na Madi.
Nipiga kibare akatoka.
Mr. Specs karibisha one more time.
Siaka. Alikula pesa CDF akaenda.
Haikuishi baba. We go some more.
Siaka.
Kelgino. Better one. We kill it. We now. Earthquake. There's in case again, man. Sparkles of dust. Watch this now. Okay, Lord, listen. Wagwa. Where them a go do if you hold me? Lord, me. Or to get me wicked this year, not even water. Boy, now come una energy. Or to get me. Every time. Don't trespass. Anytime you better. Need Somali, karibisha kwenye party one more time. Metro Lari. Me suspects in the building. I am lyrically ill. 90s I am programmed to kill. Every time. Ingine kama kitambo baba. Wetin ni hot this year. You want a better one? Okay, DJ. Come now. DJ the time to the silvery arrange. If I come on the front page, come in them know say you're lyrically brave. Hold the pace right back to what the key. Eba. Welcome kono juu kila mtu nani. Mikono juu.
Everybody telling me to. When everybody
getting man. Lord. Nayo Kalinda. Nayo.
Everybody telling me to. When everybody telling me to.
Ya kwanza bado DJ
America.
Everybody telling me to.
Everybody telling me to. When everybody telling me to.
One time.
All over.
You know what?
I want the whole wide world to know that Pato Bantan is on the go. Just like a tree that planted by the rivers of water. I will show and grow. Every day I eat. Nifinasa, macho sizinanga. Ngori kwanza akiinama.
Kula mtu, let's go now. Chini.
Bogala. Unajua mimi napenda zile vitu
anyway.
Kasa itik yende and pick lock kwesi kate round ya pili pozi kate yende
slip her down
pick lock kwesi kate round ya pili
everybody dip her down, let's go one.
Yo dende inaweza twanyoka kwa jungle shida mara mbili inaleta double trouble na scanika inaweza kushika ni kufanyie mambo za ki WWE za ki Royal Rumble.
Bogala
zile vitu Bogala, sinajua mimi napenda zile vitu Bogala.
Bora tu kwenye biki anani heavy lazima ndaikuta misli ice lake na za DJ abunda ana majeki
kama kitambo baba.
Suka sky feel.
Higo sabato one
shot ana ikok na shinda kujistop kichapa na ina knock mchedelele na talk ina neka on toss tena halasi ya ram ya pana pok.
Washa kidogo, let's go sir. Weka mkono kwenye wa kila mtu nao. Mikono juu. unajua?
Yes.
Okay, now.
Check.
Iwacho na. Wedi nyasaye olungo bura to inenga manade. Githinori. Weka peperusha kidogo kwenye hewa tafadhali. Peperusha kwenye hewa tafadhali. Wewe wanasemaje?
Yes. Check.
Wedi nyasaye to inenga manade modonge pacho. Nipendo ringo kochomoi. Let's go. Beba now. DJ Nelly. Beba. Okay, DJ Nick. Let's go sing. Nyamaza hiyo. Nyamaza hiyo. Rudia tena. Boneza. Stitchy. Stitchy. One time now. Lord. Wadi kadu jakiniva. Ajuma mdogo bado mdogo. Wadiwe. Itiwacho nango. Iwacho nango. Lord. One time. Bring it to the DJ. Hey now. Okay, DJ. One. Let's you down. Let's you down. New brand dance. Better. It's Sabumbaya. Anduli Mgaza, Yana Mgaza. Clinton Rajos.
Every party you feel wine and come up.
Ready?
Every party you feel wine and
ready time now.
Every party you feel wine and
ready time now.
Line up. Every party line up.
Gino be blues in the building. Wakaribisho wote kwenye pasi eh?
Everybody lift it up. Let's put up a gong. I want to see you.
Relax again. Relax again. Malia beba. Celebrate say.
Everybody keep it up. Put your lips in the ear. Everybody wind it up. Everybody wind it up. Everybody in the ear.
Ile baya. Samurai. Let's go. Alright. Dakongonika. Ben Buda, ongea na watu.
Oh, awuo kodgi. Kodonda. Awuo ke jogi. Nyasaye, Bwakini. Alo. Jakongo molo. Bye. One Greek. Benki Konunda. Bari MC. Bye. Abiro. Iluongane Ben Buda. One Greek. Rickide. Tonelo Safi. Karishandaga. Rick. Ibiro kethoka. Okitime gisha. Rick teme gisha.
Dokire kana irogero deda hiki no nginyande rute guomboko Gerigwonje kiatia na maguru makwa mothe na mane makusoto Geronje thakuru niwe dance master yure wa madanza kudo
Ricky Biro
Geronje oye moko hamwe na gasmairo nderuta
Wagekoyo kwa Boranga
Burukanga
Buruka
Piga up Burukanga
Kile Burukanga
Burukanga Buruka Piga up
Usafiti
Burukanga Piga up Burukanga Buruka Piga
Baye Kononda karinene
Doki
Kasusu
Rode da hiki nongi
Bari mami
Ngĩriguo njĩke na magũrũ makwa mothe na manĩma.
Rosafi tukitambo.
Ngĩronja thakũrũ nĩwe.
Kadi ni boyo.
Ewa madance.
Beni ni Buda.
Ngĩronja oe moko hamwe.
Watcha now.
Nderuta ikinya niĩ thoko.
Piga up burukanga.
Rick.
Piga up burukanga.
Imake.
Up burukanga. Buruka. Piga up burukanga. Piga up burukanga. Buruka. Piga up burukanga. Buruka. Piga up burukanga.
Newa mabur.
Piga up burukanga. Niño tena di
Nothing in your body go low, oh oh oh, go low, oh oh oh. Unaanza kulia, kushoto Tingiza nikamona mtania. Unaanza kulia, kushoto angalia. Tingi, alafu basi.
MC Biko. Wale Chabera. Biko vipi? Jado Junior. Jacobo Masiva. Turn it Rosafi.
Wine and catch it, bring it down and touch it. Panic na majigini maziwa packet.
Atu chaya ma.
Jacket, makatowa, market, jamani, fuck it, na.
Daku chande konunda.
Lance Canada, if I'm Malaysia, na kapatia ka chance kwanza.
Nothing.
Come on.
Oh oh oh, go low.
Mia pesa. Obejo. Wina molo.
Unaanza kulia, kushoto angalia. Tingi, alafu basi.
Watch.
Samoa.
Odero Rirasa. Raso Odero. Habari mingi. One Vivian. Shepo Benjo. Twende Rosafi. Rick day.
And catch it, bring it down and touch it. Panikwela na majigini maziwa packet. Nika hota na kawizi kuvalia.
Dambe.
Towa, market, jamani, fuck it, na. Impi manisha na ni balance. Canada, if I'm Malaysia, na kapati.
Twende Rosafi.
Kenya na tutisha na kamezi ya Dragland side. Nasikia alikupea.
Alinipesi kukatana wengi.
Here days.
Sana wengi wao utakatanza. Mwambia lazima triple dance.
Rasmasu.
Kushoto angalia.
Okay, Masiva.
Unaanza kulia, kushoto angalia. Tingi, alafu basi nipe tamsama.
Twende tena. Kadi ni boya. We. Radical King. Rick Ben Buda. Tuko na konunda. Obanjo Brayo.
I keep it live.
Kwa December 24th, easy kwa tana form. Level 4, get 4, naga let me form. Niwa uko 44, so I know where I'm from.
Adelo Arvenia. Just CBC.
And it's me.
Shouldn't want a man come a dingy dang.
Jaira Bolo.
Just a flip and just a flap off. Shouldn't want a man come a chit.
What's up, Mosi?
Give her head.
Jaira Bolo.
One ding
Watch it
dangle.
out.
One ding dangle. One ding.
Watch it out. Wow. Good job. Mai bilo con Rick. Rick Bidu. Ibe kabune inora. Rick. Lakini king one girigo. Konunda. Watch out.
They could mean rewind, a gunshot lean forward. You requested it, so we rewind.
Ginamoki. Selector. Oh. Omoke. Nora lao. Dongomoke.
Pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living down. Old back of I pretty face and bad character.
anaitwa DJ Rick. Kadi mbaya ni mimi.
Murder she wrote.
Murder me wrote, I me no take back me.
Twende.
Murder me wrote, I me no take back me shot. Murder me wrote, I me no take back me shot. Take back me shot, take back me shot.
Well, Rick.
No take back me shot.
Wangi kununda.
Me shot. Murder me wrote.
Radical King.
Murder she wrote.
A back to school.
Me gonna do. Sibaki hapo juu, one leg. Alafu twende mbele, rudi nyuma, dance kidogo, zungusha kiuno. Twende mbele, rudi nyuma, dance kidogo, zungusha kiuno.
Ila Buddha pillow.
Can it fit? Madem wanna white.
Usia bad Buddha. Buddha kinyi.
Can it fit? Ngoma zangu leo zote ziko on repeat. Have I ever seen you before?
Twende Rosafi.
Sexy girl, how you wine on the floor? You kill me with your body. Happy people, no depression.
Usafi.
Who's attention?
Mukubie.
Take the lesson. Kanino makwa story mention.
Alright.
Nyingine mwecheche. Nani mbaya ni akipendeche. Make a dance when they gonna do.
Nakamika sana vile tu nimejichora. Basi unafiga chupa Coca-Cola na stop touch. Kuna vile naningora. Mani kutegegi juro yangu shaipona.
Mahienga de select okishak nangi dikende vode. Hello. Bengi man.
Nakamika sana vile tu nimejichora. Basi unafiga Coca-Cola na stop touch. Kuna vile naningora.
DJ Rick.
Tegegi juro yangu shaipona. Basi go down, go down.
Twende Rosafi.
Kameri go round, go down, down, turn around. Basi baby girl zigo.
Alright.
Down, bake shake it down. Sifanye.
Okay. Jakongo molo.
Go down, down, down.
Wabiro.
Down like shake it down. Nataka kusikia papa.
Wanka.
Unapiga makofi. Turn around girl, kono kwa magoti.
Rick Konunda.
Wine, drop it.
Kijana Vasha.
Pass this gear.
Vasha kamu.
Just a cooperate. Mami.
Just CBC.
Nakulipe rent. Si separate. Na just a cooperate.
Yes, cool.
Natafanya kulipe. Ni babili zina wobble. Nabambika kizi juggle. Vitu babili zina wobble.
Oye, check 1 2. Hey, no batera tipo, sikiza mambo. Hello. Osafa. Eko na tuko na wacha doba ibambe. Doba ndaratibu ndani ya Nora, sikiza mambo. Wanahesabu mbaya family. Tuko na Mr. Freeman, Mr. Otoyo. Hello. Osafa. I bet on coming easy, coming right now. Any piggy in the DJ.
Girls, you look so sharp. Anytime you pass in your boom boom shop. What's the girl about your roll back?
I need the girl to wine. So sit down for me, girl. Sit to me. Me bring the cocky come. So sit down for the cocky, girl, and lock it down. Fuck can I just
sound it one more time on DJ, front it up.
Every man to a girl. I need the girl to wine. So say
don't matter kama nini, sikiza hii.
Sit to me. Me bring the cocky come.
Vijana wa Usafi culture wameingiza ndani. Jane Bolo karibishwa tena. Elvis Selem Kadinda Massive. Brayo.
More time me I wonder if you a magician.
Wey magada.
Me roll me with my local gun. Hold me tight and brace for me.
Your pussy tight and mount powder. Ikraf ikubambe tena. Ikraf kadere, sikiza mambo.
Your body fit. Baby, your body full of energy. So can't panic at you like a mango tree.
Wale team kabos.
Me say no better follow me.
Hillary kubambe tena, sikiza mambo.
What a pussy fat, what a pussy clean. What a active.
Oh yeah, sikiza taratibu.
Your pussy pretty like the house.
Hello.
Hold me tight and brace for me. Your pussy tight, it a grip, it a clean. Inna you hold me and send me.
Let's hear you.
This is
Let's hear you.
katao ni bidii ujanja kidogo ongeza god
wakiuliza ni wapi ushika sato ninora
ujanja kidogo
we Jaire bolu unajua ni aje
toa shot nikufunze
toa shot nikufunze habari karibisho tena wale team Red Corner Usafi Culture Wanare Boys wale team Kasusu Clan Kasusu baba ni wapi
ni bidii ujanja kidogo ongeza god wakiuliza
tuko na Mr. Konunda
katao ni bidii
ujanja kidogo
ongeza god
aya nipe ile tone
nikufunze toa shot nikufunze toa shot nikufunze toa shot
Ben Buda baba sikiza baba
nikufunze toa shot nikufunze
habari ya Steve Mnati
toa shot nikufunze
wale timu Magonga ujua kama si
toa shot nikufunze
Omuga brother Savado Mavado Eski
why stage kupande kila mtu ashike wake nayo vibe prepare
pengine DJ
nyota ndani
nyota ndani pengine DJ
nyota
aya sikiza hii
I saw she slip, I saw she slide on. I make me push it inside on. One weekend rider.
sound it one time DJ
I saw she
production
slip, I saw she slide on. I make her push it inside on. Hey, what a girl can ride on. Hey, what a girl can ride. I saw she slip, I saw she slide on.
and it's a big combination with doing left and right MC Konunda DJ Rix Vasha Koya Mr. Ben Buda
Ride on. I saw she slip, I saw she slide on.
Ndo taratibu kwa mpango sikiza
One weekend rider. One weekend rider. Money nothing on me, girl, me a provider. Buy your deal and buy the designer. Your waist just a tick like a timer. Brace pan the stick, watch your style, yeah. A regular me tell us say you go.
yetu kuna team Kodada Massive habari ya Katelo Gotea Mzion
Good I know. When you cock it up, I know.
Madiba karibishwa tena Rasman Kisiku Zombo sawa
I make me push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride on.
kila kona watu Dubai kumambe watu hesabu mbaya
I saw she slip, I saw she slide on. I make me push it inside, yo.
DJ Rick kunatambua Mandule Usafi Culture watu Dubai kumambe DJ Nelly Brethwell Bramwell yetu kuna ting ting waka sayole mkora bado wale Timosies Junior Boy Kubambe ingine nakuja aje madije ingine nakuja aje nipe hiyo
peana hiyo kitu
niko na dudu toa dudu
kama simu yako haiko betri lomulika DJ Rix kama simu yako haiko betri lomulika DJ Rix twende tafadhali madije
peana
nataka nione DJ Rick mulika DJ Rick nimuone
niko na dudu
kutu
niko na
we kijana
niko na
baba Eze karibishwa ndani baba Eze zombie pinky
zao zigi zao kam nikupe kinyao nyao wow kusema kweli nimembao
we yours kuja DJ Box unatakiwa na Peter Boy
bombo show kila na maringo mingi ndio sina
na ni old school car inheritance
na ya macho ndeza pewa bado
we dogo kuja uone
when old school car in
Hebrayo
unachocho bado na mashenani guns unajua spelling ya anonymous unapenda chipo na
we dogo kuja DJ Box
dudu toa kutu niko na dudu toa kutu niko na dudu toa kutu niko na dudu toa
Eti
Kana hapana kuza kudim leta ufala pa utakula maviding neza ni tumepona kungejo ni taxi ati upepo runda upepo nia hapo nasikia nisikele huu stengoni skubidu za kozi
eti nini eti leo niko juu ya makanini weko nunda leo niko juu ya nini haya sikiza basi
leka
habari ya Ramirez karibishwa tena ndani
tuko juu ya kana hapana kuza kudim
leta ufala bro utakula maviding
neza ni tumepona
Ibrahim Raymond wache kubambe tena beshangu tena
upepo nia hapo nasikia nisikele huu stengoni skubidu
Acelerex kubambe tena
napandishwa juu piga
Haniko tekashi hatari baba
ati kubamba goza tena toka hapo nasikia nisikele huu stengoni skubidu zako zikianza kushuka zinapandishwa juu piga kale ka move mukuja mukumfu
Samirei baba
bamba goza tena toka juu
we Samirei rada gani
alute inatonesha turushe miguu vile zimetura
Samirei besha vasha kuya skiza
napashikisha na mamoves nipekaleka so tuko loaded strap kama foreign naifanya leo sio tungojagia tushoke na ikikubamba mbia selector jo agodena kakikubamba tupa lugha so silete paza kudim washaki tempo nyana tempo yo bamba sana kiwa jing gomba kashata rada shava mdaki
Edo bataratibu skiza mambo
Mbone skubidu zako zikianza kushuka
Odhiambo tola watu onga hero team
kaleka move mukuja mukumfu ati na ikikubamba goza tena toka
Yes walemdo
Nakauna rada basi sayo menino Nakauna kopi basi sayo menino Nakaukujua basi sayo menino Umeni Nakauna rada basi sayo menino Nakauna kopi basi sayo menino
Nakakujua basi sayo menino
Umeni
Edo babila mpango doba zero pressure
Now you know Jumanze nimejipa
We are Tolman
Wanna do this ladies wanna go juu before walikuwa wanasema na wabone but before ni mapol zimejaa call logs inbox na request zote ni watoto nimekupin ukikuja na watoto nimekupin ukikuja sikuja ukiwa solo niko kwa keja nikihang na mabaddies and bandits buda tubagu yati ya nani ndio nani na kama tubene za feel niko lati mob test nazo uliza high chat I just stay to the facts way rap nitahonga na bado nabii analia nikihonga kwa kando yangu anajua
haya twende basi haya beba mikono twende beba mikono twende eti mos mama eti mos mama Milka bonyo waru sim haya sikiza atuitishi ruhusa kuguza tunaishi chiraisu tunura nukisnik ya click unasundwa shock daily unakam kuchunguza wilonji sikiza atiyo nanga atiyo ne nyithinde nyithianga ngohera giluongan nyithianga ngohera leta hiyo DJ twende taratibu Wirasman Kodada karibishwa tena film sayo eti nini tena MC Madiba karibishwa tena baba Wicha mas eti Aya wicha hii eti tunaoga tunarudi eti wewe wale team Kadianga Finance wache kubambe DJ Fiesta ni bado team Kadianga Finance eti sema hivi Leta hiyo Richard.
Rose Selector from East Africa. Yeah, man. Ladies, chop. From AM to PM, AM to PM, AM to PM.
Hello.
Hug out the AM, hug out the AM, hug out the AM. Sure.
Habari ya tinga boy.
Wamba when they come through.
Charlie Manchalolo. Pedi wa St. Louis.
Wamba when they come through.
Igwatu wanwache kubambe Biko man. MC Biko daraja japengwa Chabera team. MC Biko de outa Chabera. Haya sema hivi kila mtu nipe tochi nione twende.
Rose Selector from East Africa. Yeah.
Kule nyuma hapa katikati nionye tochi twende. Awizo the influencer wache kubambe. Hello. Eti jomba rada gani?
Wamba when they come choo choo.
Atoti ya uta chalinganya team. Besha uta chamchongi. Atoti.
Like fofo. From AM to PM, AM to PM, AM to PM. Hug out the AM.
Oya sikiza hii. Anaitwa DJ Rick. Mr. Olundomin.
Michelle, no with this so I go friends so kill. From AM to PM, AM to PM, hug out the AM.
We kijana uwadhukangoa.
Wamba when they come choo choo, escape and mash them up like fofo. Chop. Wamba when they come choo choo, hit up and mash them up like fofo. Chop.
Eti ni mbaya leo ni mbaya.
What this one is gonna be called on the block.
Leta hiyo.
From the man who's killing. With the microphone stand. Ribby bang, she ribby bang.
Hey, watch it over kumambe.
Round of applause, you get that round of applause. Round of applause, you get that round of applause.
Zetu hizi. Zetu hizi baba. Kila mtu nipe top shota, Peter Unguru nipe top shota. Agotio chingwa nyaka chungo. Shiribi bang. Brayo.
Round of applause, you get that round.
Atukuna gedi embassy team. Hey Brayo wonya game dege.
Round of applause.
Jambo gotea Steve Biko. Biko Jamoroni Woda Milo.
They are for your friends in the good times and wars. They are for your family when they need you the most. You respect yourself and you make.
We deko Hazard. Deko Chienda.
Twice before you act so. Round of applause, you get that round.
Kila kona wacha doba ibambe.
You get that round of applause. Round of applause, you get that round of applause. Round of applause, you get that round of applause.
Kila mtu nipe twende. Hano Bill Fox. Fox wache kubambe. Kila mtu wache doba ibambe twende. Chila loda. Wacha Ben Buda bambe sawa. Ben Buda wacha ibambe twende baba. Wacha nione tochi ya Ben Buda. Bonki karibishwa tena. Keila wacha doba ibambe tena. Wapi tochi ya Ben Buda twende kila mtu nipe tochi.
Man, if we go have a treat. Rain or fall, breeze or blow. Stem bam bam, out the door. Rain or fall, breeze or blow. The chicks bam bam dead, out the door. You know them bam bam rider, in the phone on the printer, I'm in a shot like cow, showing off posterior,
Makosa.
Legs here, legs here, legs.
Rick.
Oi, oi.
Hallelujah.
Watch out the girl.
A DJ Rika Band combination. A band Buddha.
Have a treat.
Tuko na Benjo. Buddha Molo.
Stem bam bam.
Oh yare.
Rain or fall.
Ina tall.
Chicks bam bam day.
Tall hola.
In the phone on the printer. I'm in a shot like cow.
Okay.
Posterior. Legs here, legs.
Yakongamolo. Band Buddha Biro.
Some
My Radical.
Some fat, something and some.
One Kirik.
Oh boy. Come say boy,
yes,
watch how the girl them stay. Boy, let's take up camera tree. Girls in the hubble, walk on the mother.
About me sing like the one.
What is? Sikiza.
About me sing like the one. Cockatee, yummy. Me sit down on the rhythm, call me the banking. Yes, I John Mouse, you a celebrity.
Tune Sophie.
Well, I'm all over the sea.
Radical King.
Singer, I'm gonna be. Sing reggae music all over the world.
Atoti.
Boys and also the girls.
Wendy Bingy.
Music all over the land.
Atoti.
One can understand.
Abosi. Wow.
How can they do this to me?
Sunday the baby day.
Alright.
Shigidika, Wogeka.
Sing like they want. Cockatee, yummy.
Nyawawa.
Come about me sing.
Milimanyi.
Cockatee, yummy. Me sit down on the rhythm, call me the banking. Yes, I John Mouse, you a celebrity. All over the world and all over the sea.
Ekaruaki.
I'm gonna be sing reggae music.
Konona.
For the world.
Ekaruake.
And also the girls. Sing reggae music all over the land. That everyone can understand. I come to set the foundation. Yes, I John Mouse, you are the run dance man. All of them massive, them are well up them man.
Oh yeah. When you see a pretty girl and you're in the mood, flip that twin twice. Yeah, when you see a pretty girl and you're in the mood, you better think twice before you make your move. Me ready. Give it up. Me and me brethren them a walk on the street one night. We a laugh, we a talk, I enjoy it.
Wale wakobok.
Time me brethren say Charlie Prip.
Wapika Chimo.
Kawang gal.
Wazito nani.
What did you think?
Kobok masiva.
He said Jesus. Right. Me get right tonight. Same time me brethren say Charlie Chaplin your bride. How you live too long and you want to lose your life. You don't know what a woman bad boy bang a knife. Who kill 40 man over one red stripe. Kick up red eyes, I can't teeth in pork pipe. And blow up a mosquito with a chucker than the mic. Crowd of people, you know. Me not tell no lie, me know my can beat right. But me heart pick up a speed like the horse legal like. And me face here bowing right. But all me know me have to get her tonight. So me tell
Imbas burungo na.
Can man do such thing as say a spite him a spite. She put grass by me with a sexy eyesight. Now you know
and you see 18
like crowd of people so you
Indigi PD.
Me excuse
me. Tu gigo you a get all.
Referring to me say the boy banga night. Me pass down there so with a dialogue.
Konota bonga na hot.
That you're talking is right. Me say you want to discuss over 2 bottles of Sprite or some Chinese food on the candlelight. If you were mine, what would call you still white? I like the Sprite. What's no time?
Especially person. To all the girl them, we have the girl them say we have
yeah.
Nobody.
When I come out and just about the bossy, let's go. Everybody sing side. Watch out. When DJ Nabado. Every time. Let's hang in there, but let's go.
She said, 1 inch a body and a body that.
Listen.
2 inch a body and a body that. Big man in a your middle and a hoodie guard. Girl, sit down. Good pum pum, girl, take a sip on the tip of the top of the.
Anyway, I work her energy. One time, everybody now.
Little pink pussy cocky blacker than a harawak. The neck is a neck and a hammock. She say me dark and slim but me talawa. What you want, girl?
One time, listen, sir.
She want the long body.
Everybody sing. sasa. Na bado.
Up in the belly, la la lang, lele. She want the long body, la la lang, lele. You can't pan the la la lang, lele. She want the long body, la la lang, lele.
Go to the 18 Katito. We go somebody to listen. We go somebody to one. Listen. Na kama unapenda katalo weka mkono moja kwenye watu. Let's go sir. Somebody sing.
Alone, my love. Yes, my love you.
Beba.
Love you.
One time now.
Kill for you, I'm dead for you. Just make up your mind and let me know what you are doing. Love you forever. Love you forever.
What's about? Kula mutu now.
No other girl. Girl, I feel love.
Sauti ya katali kidogo, let's go.
When you skin it down, girl, I'm in heaven now.
Kumbusha bado. One time. Everybody know.
Looking at the mirror, me a fuck you in a 3D. Take a little then another little.
Let's hang it.
Watch your shadow on the wall. Watch your shadow boom boom. Watch your shadow boom.
We are summertime.
Every massive if come along. Go feel something in the summer sun.
One more time, DJ. Let's go. Oya, watu wanafunga ama wanafungua? Sabu Mbaya family, Andruli Mgaza, Yano Mgaza, Clinton KE, Rogers. Napisho kwenye jengo one more time. What do you do? Kadianga Finance. Yeah, wake up, let's go, sir. Senke. Aweka, let's go, somebody. Na kama ujali bado. Kula mtu sisi. Here. Sometimes. Pool party. Everybody wanna. Radical sauti kuna ni mimi DJ Rick.
Every massive if come along.
Eddie.
Inna the summer sun. If you want play jump, go back home. Go feel your umbrella 'cause the sun is gone. The young girl them a bring it down. In a bikini them in a pretty town. You know fish shy girl bring it come. If you want
Rick Monday wanarudi system
Both want me come from me now. Pretty girl does a pose like dummy now. And the tongues them a rub them down you know. Inna the shade it's straight right from.
Senke.
Uptown full of fun you know.
Yeah.
89 we are going.
We go samba to DJ Rick.
Weekend coming out. Slow taxi.
Weka moja kwenye wasai. Summertime school is better. Rusha kwenye hewa tafadhali. Mikono juu kila mtu nao. Wanaopenda Manchester nione mkono kwenye hewa tafadhali. Mtu kama Rika juu ni timu gani lakini Riverside. River Boys family in the building. Team Kasai nimewaona baba. Nangote Katito under 18 karibisha kwenye party wa Sare. Anyway. One time.
This is the remix. Selector mode.
You know what? Zetu culture, Mr. CEO Broken in the building. Rosa Koda, Elvis Celeb, Madi. Ben Buda ja kongonika. Karibu kwenye party one more time. Let's allow to the DJ Rick. Ingine sana. Nipandishe. Lady Doro Sondo team. Okay, DJ, listen. One more time, DJ. Sound it again.
Oh gosh, man. Special request.
Lady Choice. Wood Malimu Koro in the building.
One. And a 3 and a 4 and
Me suspect, karibisho kwenye jengo one more time. One time. You have to be what's meant to redeem and play. Your boss let's redeem one, it's baddest. Every time.
Them a cry over me. So ask them with me. Make them a cry over me. So
you know what?
Sing it on a dance hall rhythm.
Sometimes
I don't feel regular type of thing. Well, sometimes I DJ.
Sometimes you sing.
Yeah, but full of style.
I am a kuleta.
Me not like the English.
I this Rick makuleta.
It's an African thing, and I know laughing, I know show off thing. But trust me, believe when me talking, say I don't wanna know.
One time.
But it a fling up for your liking. Back then with the perfect aligning.
What?
Boy, you give me ring, boy.
You know what to do? Make me sing, say. What to give me the thing?
Position. See me back then, boy. See me position. Boy, you give me ring, boy. Mash up the thing, boy. Give me position for the wine.
What's the girl saying? Give me a position.
Like a cherry turn red. Eagle eye me have push in your trade. Now one no zombie. Fi a grind for me. Cause boy me no care to be walking dead. Back it up. Me a
Doro was son to karibisho kwenye party one more time.
in a no damn loving up. It's a earthquake when me bumper a shake. Sing strong but the tip of your head.
Better one.
Like snake you a draw.
When the big up is hot for the dancing party. This one is original dancing by the king. When the big up. Them love him, them love him, them love him. Them call him, ladies choice, them love him.
Warembo peke yao basi. Ladies, Otile Nyakwaraweri, Rastivo, Ongujo Massive karibisho kwenye party one more time. Everybody sings her. They look so nice. MCB Code.
When they walk, it feels so good.
Anytime.
When they smile, is in the mood.
Mighty King Kong now. Shady T2, Brian Mugaza. Oyare. Jonte. Dogo Transporter, Kodonga.
Tell them my baby give a love and a baby come around and give me little love. Regional King Kong gonna run things. All of them are pretty girls, give me some love. Cause I really tell them baby jump around. And this already time and a baby come again. Give me little love and baby jump around. Cause I really tell them my baby come around. And original King Kong.
We go some more.
What them call me, what team in him? K-I-N-G original King. When I K-O-N-G original Kong. All of them are dogs when I'm making the film.
Wanaopenda Jose Camilo, let's go. Jado Junior, Komboko Massive, Komboko Crew. Weti, karibu. Unieleze nini mama Kevonati Kadianga Finest. Biggie Shabir, Alex D, Manusho Mkora. Mwana wake amemwacha. MCB Code, Baraka Japan. Watu wa Chabera karibishweni eh? Wakaji kila mtu now. Wapi na wapi? Nice. Welcome mkono juu kila mtu, let's go. DJ Rick. Lady Mish in the building. Ashitika T218. Hello Mzion Kodada Masi. Wapi na wapi? Eti Senke Wuda Rosi kijana mdogo. Achitienda 18, let's go. Weka moja kwenye hewa basi tuende eh? Achitika T218. Kata What kadu Yoni Yesu. Iwacho nango. Alright. Turudie. DJ Rick one more time. Let's go. Atelo wachabera karibisha kwenye jengo one more time. Wanaopenda Mwenyezi Mungu weka mkono moja kwenye watu ndio basi. Ena wewe de. Brasio Kingaza. Kata ngoa. Kata luengere kata. Mago yoni Yesu. We Ben Buddha, let's go say. Wino champagne. Oyare ine tol. Weti mago. Tulete ngine. Bijarik. Kelmoro. Kila mtu no. Kwani huko ni wapi? Oya, Polo Enadi. Hey, my Polo, let's go. Nione mkono kwenye hewa, eh? Nione mkono kwenye hewa. Weti? Iwacho nango? Kaka gwena umonyi pinde. Kaka gwena umonyi pinde. Yehova muni merateko. Kirapodi. Iuba. Kaka gwena umonyi pinde. Yehova muni merateko. Kirapodi. Ijola. Jonwenyane nodokshie. Yehova muni merateko. Aya basi. Iwacho nango? Ijola. Jonwenyane nodokshie. Yehova muni merateko. Weka tuende taratibu, eh?
Mwana Patrick Okech
Nama Olungo Jina metonya kapinyaru
Yirinele mieloroba Komoto ayoma
Pitanguru Magunga Security Ties Wanaopenda Musa Juma, let's go. Carol unatakikana na love, eh? Weka moja tuende tafadhali, eh? Mziki taratibu, magi. Wanaopenda rumba, let's go, sing say.
Mwana Patrick Okech Olongo walime
Jina metonya kapinyaru
Yirinele mieloroba
Eti Komoto ayoma Minenele goyo sigalaga Mtu anasema turudie. Kilgino
Patrick Okech
Ngama pimongo diero
Olongo walime Jino metonya kapinyoru Yirinele mieloroba Komoto ayoma
Wali wake dogo karibisha kwenye party. Party winja kaka paki Iwacho nango
Mwana Patrick Okech Ngama pimengo
Olungo
walime
Jino metonya kapinyoru Komoto Nango Mina nenengo heyo sigala Pati winja kakaluonge Pati cocaine Inga malura inya Usip na nyakacho Oyare Inga malura inya Clinton Wenya kasuna Shida Kadianga finest Isabu mbaya Orucha kudomo
Kumose mirakiko
Ileta gine nisha
Nipacheko Wachoto timo Rateko Masia luri Wanapatri
Chinguru na mbuto Aridora gacho moligera Gacho kona mdoya Tangira funu moro
Sama Nyalgonya
Crispudo mwangonya tije
Joshua mwenyewe karibishi kwenye party Nyalgonya
Chinguru na mbuto Aridora gacho moligera Gacho kona mdoya Tangira funu moro Ikuto boini Crispudo mwangonya tije Yamikuto gunja baba Ukego kuda gandura
Ziki taratibu basi ya
Radin Daniel Suzy Suzana na kwa chief Siaya Kababa Chingoro na mwoto Aridora kachomo ligeda
Dudu mbaya transporter Watongwa iwe kwenye party
Crispudo mwangonya deje
Najua muna tega ingine hapa Okadisa
Chingoro na mwoto Aridora kachomo ligeda
Listen now
Rap madola wurinya tike
Wanaopenda DJ kuweka mkono moja kwenye let's go File Zion Kodada Massive
Amiliongewa ikao kitungawa
Makajana
Amiliongewa
No Vigeto Rider
kitungawa
Usafi Clan Akina Madi Elvis Celeba
Dabedi kibomba
Etim Kadinda Oyare
Sundigi malo
Man getegeji
Kibomba Datingo bebina
Rombas
Sundigi malo
Weka base Mikono juu Mikono juu
Dola wurinya tike
Aya weka basi Nipe Isagi mid Jaerana Iwasho nango Jaera Alright Ikele Kelgino Magi
Isaka kidwaro Jaera Isagi midwaro
What do you know?
Isaka kidwaro
Watu wapangu wa Papa Nditi in the building Isagi midwaro
Jaera Usierongo
Listen now When DJ Rick sing Mapenzi ya siku hizi Ikele Nani? Mimi na wewe
tulitengana ukasema unitaki kuniona tena
unitaki
mambo ya mapenzi
nilete moja kumaliza DJ Oyare kaugino
ama nyongeni
kaugino
wewe manono baby hatuna dipenda tunakutaka
mapenzi ya siku hizi
haina
faida mapenzi ya siku hizi
Pelo Mzayon Ziku Zombo Chabera
nitafute pesa kazi yangu
Rick natafuta pesa. Wacho nango Brayo
nipate
kila mtu no MC Maxwell, Kevin Rick hiyo ni mbaya DJ na